Hey everybody, let's look at how to prepare paneer pulav. First, the ingredients: basmati rice 500 grams soaked in water for 30 minutes, some cashew for frying, 1 small cup of garam masala, 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of beans, and 1 cup of green peas, 400 grams of paneer, chili powder as required, 1 tomato cut, 2 onions cut, 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 cup of mint leaves, some coriander leaves, and then 1 small cup of ginger garlic paste. Then salt as required. Spices, we have some 4 to 5 cloves, bay leaf, 1 star anise pod, some cinnamon sticks, some cumin seeds, some peppercorns, and then cardamom. Let's look at the steps. First, we need to fry the paneer. So, in a little bit of ghee and oil, fry the paneer in such a way that both the sides of the paneer is little brownish in color. Very gently fry it because it can break. Again, this frying is optional, but yeah, there are 2 ways of doing it. So I'm going to fry this, and this is the consistency I've got. Next, you need to fry the cashew. Take some ghee and then fry this cashew and transfer the contents into a small cup. Once done, then again 100 ml of oil for frying the spices. So 100 ml of oil, let it heat. Then transfer the contents spices into the cooker and then fry it in low medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, then next is to fry the onions. So transfer the onions into the cooker. Onions have to be fried till it's light brown in color. So let's fry it till it becomes light brown in color. You can add salt at this stage to hasten the process. Okay. So let's fry this. Now once done, it's time to get the chilies inside. So again, just fry this for a couple of minutes. Then the ginger garlic paste goes in. Again, fry this for a couple of minutes so that the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes off. Next, the tomato goes in. Couple of minutes of frying will do. Then get the vegetables inside. So carrot is already in. Then the beans. Next, the green peas will also go in. Yes. Give a mix. At this stage, if you want, you can add quarter cup of water so that the bottom doesn't get stuck. So keep mixing it and frying. Next is to add the garam masala. Then the chili powder, small cup again, probably 1.5 spoons maximum. Give a mix. And some salt as required. Again, thoroughly mix them. Now it's time to get the mint leaf and the coriander inside the cooker. Great. So now just again mix everything properly and give a fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then get the paneer in. Again, be careful not to break it. Gently mix it. Gently mix it such that it doesn't break. Yeah. Now it's time to add the rice. So let's get the rice in. Great. Again, mix it up gently. Now even the rice should not break, so you need to be very, very careful. So just gently mix it. Slowly and steadily. Like that. Now the last item to get in is the cashew which has been fried. So let's add that. The cashew goes in now. Now once all the ingredients have gone in, now it's time to add the water. Water, the ratio is 1 cup of rice. You can take 1.5 cups of water. So anywhere between 1.25 to 1.5 cups of water should do. I have taken 1.25 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Up to 1.5 you can stretch. Once you add the water, give a mix again to ensure that the entire contents is completely mixed properly. Yeah. Now cover the cooker with lid and cook it for 15 minutes on low medium flame or till one whistle you get. So 15 minutes is good enough. The pulao is ready. Yummy it looks. As you can see here, you can garnish with extra coriander if you want and then serve with a mixed raita. Let's check how it has come out. It looks nice and yummy, fluffy. The rice is nice and fluffy here. Yeah. It looks tasty. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Happy eating and thank you very much.